So if you were doing a home restoration project, renovation, house addition, or renovation of a heritage property, what is the cost for doing this kind of work, and how would you be able to budget for the project to know whether you're able to afford this kind of work? So hypothetically speaking, let's just assume that your soft cost is 50 to 60,000. That's the permitting fee, designing, engineering, architectural fees, consultancy, like surveying, all that stuff. Just like this is a reasonable amount to put it on the side. And then how much is the hard cost? So let's say you have a 1,000 square feet house, and you want to do an addition of another 1,000 square feet, making it a total of 2,000 square feet. So we would take the 1,000 square feet of the existing and multiply that. Say if you want to do a mid-range finishes, multiply it by $75 per square foot, and that's measured from the inside of the exterior walls. So that's how much is that? That's $75,000, say. And then you have the addition part. So the addition part is, say, another 1,000 square feet. That you multiply by $350 per square foot, and that is measured on the exterior perimeters of the exterior walls. So the wall thicknesses are included in this measurement, and if it's 1,000 square feet, then that brings it to $350,000 in this case. So the total hard cost for this project would be around $425,000 realistically. And if there are other aspects that would add to the cost, so for example, if you have to do underpinning to increase the headroom in the basement, that you can say that's another $50,000 to $70,000. And if you want to do below grade steps to create a separate entrance for the basement, that's an additional $25,000. I hope this helps.